Wow, wow, wow! Look at that! Sa itsura pa lang ng breakfast mo, kung ganito ang ihahatag sa'yo, it really looks so yummy, so delicious, and really mouth-watering. Isn't it amazing? Sobrang pang Instagram, sobrang Instagrammable, ready for picture. Yung bago ko kumain, ganito kaganda ang ibe-present sa'yo. Pero nanginginig ka na sa gutom, hindi ka pa makakain kasi kailangan pang picturean at i-video. By the way, hi and hello! Good morning to all of you, to all the beautiful people of the world and the universe. This is Mahihaing Harot, ang AI na may puso. Makere maharot, and of course, matakaw din, charot. On my last video, I shared you my unlimited breakfast buffet in Yerevan, Armenia. But on this video, I'm sharing you the unlimited breakfast buffet that I had during my vacation travel in Tbilisi, Georgia. I stayed in Tbilisi Old Lighthouse Hotel. They also offer and provide unlimited breakfast buffet daily. In fairness sa breakfast nila, sa breakfast nila, paandar. Mas yayamanin ng atake at mas maraming putahe in comparison sa breakfast ko sa Armenia. Mas mukhang yayamanin dito, mas malaki ang hotdog at mas maraming food options. Actually, depende yan sa country and sa hotels. Yun yung nabukong hotel. So, yung pinoprovide nilang breakfast, yun lang yung limitation. So, sa Armenia, medyo boring, dull, and pale. I think parang pang-oldies yung breakfast nila. So, hindi katulad sa Georgia na mas maganda ang presentation, mas Instagrammable, at saka mas yummy and delicious. Bukod sa mas malaki yung hotdog, syempre meron silang toast, bread toast, tapos mas maganda yung presentation, tsaka meron silang scrambled egg at tsaka sunny side up. Kasi dun sa Armenia, boiled egg lang yung meron dun sa hotel na isa. Yun lang naman yung major difference. Pero remind you guys, sa breakfast, mas maganda kasi mas maganda yung nabukong hotel. Pero in fairness, for me, I prefer Armenia pagdating sa travel. I chose Armenia instead of Georgia. Mas favorite ko kasi ang Armenia. I don't know why. So actually, ito na yung second plate ko. Pag second plate na, ganyan na lang. Yung toast na lang, yung bread toast na lang with scrambled egg. Tapos yung egg in comparison dun sa unang presentation na pang Instagram. Ganun. Syempre, kailangan busog-lusog bago mag-travel. Kasi same time, same thing. At 9 a.m. darating na yung mga tourist guide for travel. Syempre, kailangan busog na busog bago mag-travel. Yung bang tulala ka bago tumayo sa mess hall. Hanggang dito na lang po mga karepa. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and comment for